I'm going to show you how you can extend your Ideogram AI images in just a few steps using AI. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate 4 variations of images with this prompt, which is the magic prompt I just copied from this image, which I really like. So let's wait a few seconds until those images load and generate, and then I'm going to show you how you can extend them to make them bigger using AI. Okay, so AI will detect what the image is about. So now that we have the images, just click on them and click right here on this arrow at the right of opening Canva, and you will see the option to extend. So if you click here, you can select where you want to extend or how much you want to extend this image. So wait for the canvas to load, and once we are here, I'm gonna zoom out. Let's say I want to extend it like this, or we can do even more. After we select what we want to extend, let's say it's this one, we just need to click right here, or we can also put some settings like a style, or we can put a different prompt or something like that, or we can also put a different mask. So something like this, I don't know, you can do whatever you want and then extend, and now it will only take a few seconds. It will put the generation on the queue, and then after like 10 seconds you will have your image ready. So this is very useful for any image. Let's say you have a small image and you want to make it bigger, then the AI will automatically detect what it's about and make it bigger. So as you can see, it works really well. It really looks like it's the full image like this, but it's AI made. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.